Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update for Sunday, 23 of October. We're looking at Bitcoin trading at 19,175. The same old story. If diving into the 4-hour time frame, the same old boring stories. We got a sideways movement in the building. Nothing else. It's a snooze fest. We don't know what's gonna happen next. Everything is just like a bird in a nest. I don't know even what I'm saying, but I just feel so bored. You cannot even blame me for so many days. Even today is just the same thing. So, I did see one person saying that, you know what, put in an alert here at $20,604, all right? Or put a price alert at 18,000, all right? This is just as boring as it comes. And it just continues. And I don't see if Bitcoin has even a little bit of a shame inside it. It's been 31 days, no shame at all. What a shameless coin this is, to be honest. Like, when it's shameless, no one can bid. If shameless had a face, then you're looking at one. You're looking at one. This is the face of shameless. Look at that. That yellow thing you see right there, okay? That's the face of shameless. If shameless ever had a face, okay? I don't even know if I should be talking about technical analysis or not. I just want to tell you one thing, okay? Very quickly. It's been the same old boring story. 14K, 8K is something that is there on a monthly. It's gonna take too much time for that to happen. And what I can say, in the middle of nowhere, that you're doing whatever you're doing here on the 4-hour time frame, put a alert at 20,600 and put an alert at 18,000. You know, let's keep it really short, sweet and simple. When you cross that level, come for the back test. Boom, 22,000. When you come down here, backtest and fail, boom, 16,000. That's pretty much it for this update. Thank you so much. Gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.